Hello everyone, I'm Xinxin. In these slides, I will introduce the sentiment analysis in tourism study. In this video, you will know what is sentiment analysis, the application of it in tourism studies, what digital data can be used for sentiment analysis, and the main approaches of sentiment analysis. At the end of these slides, I will show one simple case by using automatic sentiment analysis. Research on sentiment analysis goes back to the 1970s, but only recently it has received increasing attention from researchers. Although sentiment analysis is highly relevant for tourism, it's only beginning to get in popularity recently. Sentiment analysis, in general, aims to define the overall contextual polarity of a text document, a review, an opinion, or an emotion expressed in the content, whereby polarity can be positive, neutral, or negative. Sentiment analysis have been applied in many areas of tourism studies. First, to identify the tourist attitudes toward tourism products or tourism services, by classifying text data into sentiment categories, positive, negative, or neutral. For example, recent tourism studies tended to use sentiment analysis as a useful tool for investigating travelers' opinions toward hotel services. Second, to find the most unhappy experience from tourist feedbacks, to recognize the relationships between negative sentiment to certain features of tourism products or tourism services. Third, to find out the willingness of travelers to recommend a hotel based on the sentiment analysis. The willingness or motivation were divided into two categories. Positive category include self-enhancement and enjoyment, altruism, and economy incentive. Negative motivation also include altruism, economy incentive, but also venting negative feelings. Fourth, using sentiment analysis to extract the comparative relations from online textual review of restaurants, thus to help restaurants identify their competitors to increase their competitiveness. Fifth, to handle many business intelligence tasks, including reputation management, public relations, tracking public viewpoints, as well as market trends prediction. Sixth, using sentiment analysis to identify tourist sentiment toward a certain destination, such as the destination image research. Using sentiment analysis can help tourism manager to identify tourist sentiment, positive or negative feelings towards the different destination attributes. What kind of data can be used for sentiment analysis? In earlier tourism studies, online textual data and online photos both were applied for sentiment analysis, especially online textual data. For instance, online travel reviews. Online travel review was the most popular data used to detect the tourist sentiment. Generally, travel review could include two types of content: subjective content and objective content. Subjective reviews are based on the opinions, personal feelings, beliefs, or judgment about entities or events. Objective content are based on the facts, evidence, and measurable observations. Generally, objective content do not contain those words that are clearly defined as positive or negatives in the dictionary. Using the textual data to do sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis can be employed at the word, sentence, paragraph, and document levels. Relatively less research has focused on the sentence level analysis, since it is more challenging to accurately extract polarity from a small number of words compared with paragraphs and documents. Tourism researchers have typically used two types of online content for their sentiment analysis: online travel review from the professional platforms such as TripAdvisor, Booking, and Ctrip, or the social media posts such as Twitter and Facebook. Both types of those sources usually contain a short text. For instance, Twitter allows tweets of only 140 characters in length. There are two main approaches to extract sentiments automatically. The first one is a machine learning approach, which makes use of the supervised classification methods, that is, using a previously annotated corpus of text. Although the machine learning approach can generate models fitting the specific tourism context, the main disadvantage is the requirement of annotated data, which is time-consuming. The second approach is the lexical-based approach. This approach typically uses a predefined dictionary. In the dictionary, many opinion words were defined and classified in different sentiment categories, such as the positive, negative, or neutral categories. This approach is very simple but not accurate as the former one. Here are the flowcharts of two main sentiment analysis approaches. The figure on the left side is a machine learning approach. The figure on the right side is the lexical-based approach. Typical tasks of sentiment analysis include three steps. First, finding documents relevant for a specific topic or purpose. Second, pre-processing the collected documents. Third, identifying the sentiment surrounding the product or company. In sentiment analysis for the textual data, including online review or other social media content, nouns, adjectives, and negative adverbs were mainly regarded as important verbs. But sentiment is also impacted by the polarity of verbs such as like, love, and also the degree verbs such as very much, more. So, such important information should be taken into consideration in tourist sentiment analysis. Several tools can be used for sentiment analysis, such as some free sentiment analysis websites, like Monkeylearn. Here I tried this website with a simple travel review. The travel review was copied from Google Review, and it's about a customer experience in Yuansu Bar Play restaurant. I put the review content into the website analyzing form. The result showed that this review is a typical negative feelings for this restaurant. But if you want to do a deep analysis for a large amount of data, you need to use some other sentiment analyzing tools, such as program in Python or Limpimp, TLab, NVivo, and so on. In the next video, I will show how to use NVivo to do a deep sentiment analysis.